What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. Today it's Saturday, January 25th. I had quite a day, a good day, and we're about to go to my grandma's to go spend some time with her, drop off some things I have for her. If you guys didn't know, a lot of the clothes that I just don't use anymore or whatever, I usually give it to my grandma and she ships a lot of it to DR, and then sometimes she stays with a lot of it and wears it herself and everything. So she loves getting clothes because she loves that's what entertains her. That is her entertainment. I feel like that's her hobby actually. But anywho, yeah, we're about to go see my grandma. Yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog so I could get better at you guys getting more of the regular days in my life instead of just like influencer stuff. So I'll see you guys probably when I get there, and let's see if she wants to be on camera because she don't really be liking that stuff. I made her a whole TikTok once and I was gonna continue like posting things because she's really freaking funny. She's a hot mess. I feel like it took a lot to edit certain clips and stuff because she's a little, you know, reckless out the mouth. So anywho, we'll see if she wants to be on camera when we get there. I'll see you in a bit. That's my grandma. Okay, mamá, te amo. All right. Dice bye.
Hi, my sweetie.
Okay, dice bye, mama.
Bye.
What's up, YouTube? Audio may be a little different because I do not have my mic on. I'm in a rush. I'm getting ready to head to an event with CoverGirl. This event seems so intimate and so my vibe. It is to create vision boards and manifest. I already created my vision board for the year. I'm just excited. I'm truly excited because manifesting with one of my dream brands is just everything I could have ever expected. It is so amazing. I'm about to get my hair done. I just finished my makeup. Obviously, I have to do my lips still. For my hair, I am thinking about doing something very simple, but still very like sleek. I have braiding hair, so I'm thinking about doing like a long braided pony just with the middle part. And I think that middle part is a little off. I have to leave within the next like 20 minutes. Yep, I'm gonna see y'all in a bit. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Disregard this chair over there. That I just throw stuff on my chair. I know a lot of y'all do it too. That's just stuff from yesterday. But this is a fit. I have this beautiful white blazer, these jeans. The blazer's from Primark. I have a bodysuit under because it was a little too much cleavage. And this bodysuit is from H&M. Jeans are from Silver Jeans. These booties are from Fashion Nova, but I did get them years ago, so I don't know if it's still available. And then this beautiful pop of color is from Levoot. The earrings are also from Levoot. I wanted to go with a little bit more of a statement piece for the earrings because I had some regular earrings on. They were still kind of statement earrings, but they just weren't giving that pop, you know? I feel like I wanted to give that pop. And then I tried on a necklace, but I feel like I really love the bare neck right now, and I have to go. So yeah, let me go, and I'll probably check in with y'all when I'm waiting for my cab. Just let me go finish situating myself so I could go and get out of here. Okay, guys, I am waiting for my cab. Hopefully I'm gonna get there a couple minutes early. I just wanted to say that I have been feeling so grateful. I've been feeling so good about life, and not only because 2024 was literally like amazing, but just because I learned to count my blessings and to know that once I started looking around, I literally am living my dream life. I'm living my entire dream life. I manifested everything that has come into my life. I just feel so secure. I just feel so secure, so happy. I'm even grateful for the tough times and the times that, you know, was really hard because I grew through those times. And not only that, but just the ability to be able to feel that, you know, it reminds you that you're alive. You have the opportunity to get better and just be happier and just know that better times will come. Nothing lasts forever. So I don't know. I just like had to really take inventory, and it's not just because it's a new year either. Like I've instilled great habits at the end of last year, and I really reshaped my whole mindset. And yeah, I just feel fucking good. And I want to like scream that from the rooftops because you guys saw when I was like not thriving. You guys saw how long it took me to really like pick myself back up. I think that now I'm at a place where, wow, I'm happy, and I haven't been this happy in years. If y'all seen the down times, y'all gonna see me go up too. And y'all seen me up before too. I'm just saying, like, we're here for the ride. I always said that I want to be completely raw with you guys, and honestly something that it's like story of my life, but just be careful what you wish for, because when I said that, man, it got real crazy real fast. Life is beautiful right now. I feel really grateful. I think that I am in alignment. I've been having a lot of deja vu. It's a lot going on. I could go into depth with, but honestly right now all I'm gonna say is that I'm happy, and I am always praying that you guys feel that too. And I pray for everybody to feel the amount of happiness and joy and just comfort that I feel. There's always going to be things going on in the world. Always going to be things going on in the world. Just learn what's your responsibility. Learn what you can do. And if you can't do anything about it, literally don't worry about it. Do not worry about it. It's hard for the people that have a lot of empathy. Like for me, I'm a complete empath, and I don't say that just because it's a trendy thing to say these days. I have always been an empath. I just know that I can't control what other people do. I can't control the world. I can only control the world that I live in. So anyway, before I keep going, because as I said, I could talk for a long time about all of this, I'm gonna go. I'm still waiting for my cab, but I'm just gonna go off the video right now and just pack the camera up because I do need it to vlog and take you guys along with me. I hope this event I think this event is gonna be fucking amazing. Like, but it's only a 2-hour event, and I think it's very like intentional, and it's just everything. So I'm gonna see y'all there. Hopefully, if I could record. If I can't record, then y'all get a synopsis after. Okay, y'all, I'm here. Hello. Yes.
It lifts me up as the heights I know. So when they ask, I but we had numbers.
And she still shine. Ooh, baby. What's up, you guys? I am back. I hope you guys enjoyed the little clips that I was able to get. It was so intimate that I didn't want to just have my camera up the whole time. It was so intimate. There was only like 7 or 8 of us at this event, and we created vision boards. We created vision boards with CoverGirl at the Empire State Building. I just feel so good about it. I feel so good about life right now. And it was a great event. It's my kind of event. I've been outgrowing just the regular social, let's have a drink, cocktail type events. I do still enjoy those, don't get me wrong, because you do make some great connections at those. But this event, I love intentional events, and this was just so good. It was so wholesome, and there were so many beautiful creators. Well, not so many, but there were beautiful creators. I love the room and group that we had. And I just wanted to come and tell y'all that because I feel like I didn't touch base after that event. Also, my makeup. My lashes lifting here because I honestly did not apply. I was rushing. And this braid is giving. But anyway, I hung up my vision board is actually at the beginning of my room. I already had a vision board in my planner. I already made a vision board for this year, but I was just so happy to create a vision board there. And it was great. So they also had an astrologist. Her name is Courtney, but I'm going to have her details like here somewhere because she is such a beautiful person. I'm kind of speechless. I never got a reading for anything. Like I never did any kind of reading for anything. And when it comes to astrology, I know very little because there's just so many like fake astrologists on social media. And I kind of like, shut up. All right. Like I don't want to hear you. But Courtney was the real deal. She was the real deal. And I just love that she felt so passionate about what she was like reading to you, like what she was serving you. And like everything that she said made sense because she's going off of just straight like her not experience, her knowledge, like her actual like expertise is astrology. So I just enjoyed the reading too. I was really actually a little bit nervous about it, and I was like, oh god, you about to read me? Like, oh, I don't like that. It's a little bit too much. It felt like going to therapy all over again. At least that's the feeling I had, but I left there feeling a little bit more encouraged, and it just gave me a sense of direction, and I really enjoyed that. I really did. I'm grateful for it. I thank you guys for supporting me because every time I have moments like this and when life feels this good, I just can't help but to thank you guys over and over and over and over and over and over again. Because if it wasn't for your support, I wouldn't have the numbers for brands to notice me and just say like, hey, I want to include you in this. And I've just been having so many great opportunities, opportunities in 2025. 2025 is my best year yet. And I am just happy about it. And I can't say it enough. And I have no other words to really describe what I'm feeling. But I just wanted to say thank you. And I'll see you guys possibly tomorrow. I think tomorrow I have to clean the house. That's what I have to do because I have to clean. I'll see y'all later. I love y'all.